looks like we have a storm coming, but I wanted to, sorry if it's windy, I wanted to go ahead and pick some purple hall beans for shelling. So let's go see what we can find. I have my little helper out here with me, Adonis. He's really been wanting to get in the garden lately, so I'm trying to let him help me out with whatever I can. You ready? Say what?
Hey, Royals.
Hey. You finding the peas?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what the bed looks like. I had purple hall peas all along this row, and I think, Adonis, didn't you plant those?
Yeah.
Yeah, he planted these, and now he's picking them. So we're just going along and finding the ones that are nice and dry, which is pretty much all of them. And we're just putting them in a bowl.
Mommy, there's two big ones.
For saving. Adonis, are you on an ant pile? No? Okay. So we've already got a few. Look at that. And these did really good during the summer. This was one of the crops that did really well. So I'll have some seeds on my website right from the garden. Find them all. There you go. Get them all in the bowl.
Is this a bean?
Yep. Well, this feels good. Look at these. Shelling peas. You can also eat them fresh, but it was just so hot out here this summer that I could not get out here to pick them fresh. But I did record some video of how they looked when you could have ate them fresh, so I'll put that on the screen for you. But yeah, these peas are
And at
done.
the end of this video, like and subscribe.
Yes, of course. I would love that. It looks like we have a couple more that I could definitely go.
Mom, there's some right here.
Get them all.
This looks like snails.
Looks like snails. They kind of do.
Look.
Okay.
I just showed it. This is a long one, Mama. It's like a big old snack.
Whoa, that is. Let me see. Look how long that one is.
Crazy. We gotta get all these ones
Okay.
so we can plant them.
Yep, and these are seeds for next year or for cooking.
Cooking. That's
And
cool.
beans.
Wow, what now?
Why? They're good. You should try them when they're cooked. Do you see any more? I see a whole bunch in there. So we have dried flowers here as well. So these are zinnias. And I'm gonna harvest those too. They're pretty much ready. I don't think they have to be this dry, like this. I think they can be like this and they'll be ready. Let me see.
Mama, we catch a lot of these
So, baby one, you got all of them? We need all of them. Oh, it feels so good out here, like it's a cloudy day. So it's nice and breezy. It feels like we're gonna get maybe a storm.
Hopefully we don't get a flash flood.
Yeah. No, we don't want a flash flood.
Because like a day ago, we did. One of the lights
I know. So this is my first year actually growing purple hull peas. And I will continue to grow them every year because they did really good in high heat. And that's something that you need during the summer as a cover crop or however, but this isn't.
Oh, Mommy, there's
I don't believe it's a cover crop.
There's
But,
an ant in there.
okay. That's okay. But, yeah, it's a pea that you can eat, you can store, or you can use it as a cover crop if you wanted to. So I really enjoyed growing them. They're so pretty.
Mommy, there's a
picking the
lot right
rest.
there.
Okay, let's see here.
Right here.
Oh, okay. So we got plenty more to go. Go on and grab them. Okay, we have to skedaddle from that area because there was a whole bunch of fire ants. But this is what we've recovered.
Mama found two at the lava.
Okay. Wow.
There's so many that I put down.
And I'm ready to crack one of these open and see what the seeds look like. Do you got all the seeds? Don't step on no ants. There's a couple more in there.
There's one.
You see it?
Yeah.
And then there's one right there.
Mom, you see it?
So he's looking for a few more.
Mine was
Adonis, don't step in all those fire ants. You got fire ants on you. Come back. It's okay. Okay, I think that's it. We have so many fire ants in this yard that I just feel like the land is infested with ants. And so I've been trying to figure out how to remedy the situation. I've been putting like orange peels and cinnamon into my containers, and I've been using boric acid and stuff like that, like mixtures with sugar and water. And so I've just been trying to figure it out, but it's been really hard to garden out here with all these ants. I've never had ant issues. So let's go ahead and go over here to the patio and see what we can shell. Thank you. You excited?
Bye-bye.
We're not done yet.
Oh.
We're gonna go shell these.
I want to see what they look like. We already know what they look like, right, Mama?
I don't know what they look like.
What they look like. There's purple.
Okay.
Let's go crack these open.
Get your chair. Right here. Okay.
Let's see what Mommy thinks.
Okay.
There's a lot in there.
Okay, so we're gonna shell these and see what they look like, see how much we get. Maybe we'll get a cup of peas.
Crack these open.
Hold on, Adonis. You do the baby one.
Wow.
Because you ain't gonna lose all my little seeds. Okay, so let's see.
That's what they look like. Yeah, I know. Ooh.
Yeah, you know. You don't know.
I do. I've seen these before when I planted them.
Oh, okay, you did. He did. Okay, this one is not good. But this is what these ones look like.
They look like that.
They look like peas.
Yeah.
That's no good. So some of them are good and some of them are,
Bad.
yeah, you just gotta
Oops.
sort through them. If they fall in the bowl, that's fine.
I want to get some all these.
Let's see if I can show y'all.
These are what the inside looks like. See?
I've never shelled peas a day in my life. This feels...
Oops. What's that?
Yeah. Smells good.
There's so many in here. They look like they're looking at me.
You got little eyes on them. Aww.
Those look like a choo-choo train. Hello.
So cool.
Yeah, these are cool. There's green inside
And then this stuff can just go in the compost.
What is compost?
Compost is food scraps and yard scraps so that you can feed your plants organic matter. Oh, this is cool.
We are never going to stop doing this until we crack on one shell. I think I'm for it.
So let me know in the comments below if you eat purple hull peas, if you shell them and cook them fresh.
If y'all have a good garden and y'all, if it's on YouTube, we're going to watch all of that. If you have an account.
Oh, okay. I'm just letting Adonis take over this video. He won't even let me. He won't even barely let me get a word in. He need his own channel.
No.
What do y'all think? Adonis?
In the comments below. I want to be in Mommy's video.
Yeah.
Let's see if these fill up the whole cup.
This is relaxing. I can see why people
Throw these right and this will pop up. Okay. I think there's one more down here. No, there's not.
Uh-oh.
Oops.
I'm dropping them all. I'm sorry. You can get them for me?
These look like lips, right? These parts look like lips. This is where you crack them open. Oh! I heard it because it's raining. Royals, if it's raining at your house, you're in San Antonio, Texas. It's like us.
What? Who said? Okay, so some of them are
Bad.
molded and some of them are still good. So not too bad.
Oops. I'm
curious, should they look wrinkly or
I don't know.
how should they look? Because these look a little wrinkly.
So it's a bunch.
I guess that's okay. I don't know. I'm just...
Why do these look like eggs from ducks?
These are pretty.
They look like eggs though. But Mom, eggs. Oh,
So this video isn't really about much, but hauling some peas. What is this called?
peas.
Shelling peas.
There's one right
This is
there.
our first time shelling peas. So we
It's
got a
not
little cup
mine.
full.
It's not my first time.
But honestly, these kids.